Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be doing a deck review of The Universe Has Your Back. Just like the other deck, The Wisdom of the Oracle by Colette Baron Reid. I got this one off the Wish app, and it never came. This never worked. I never got an insert. So I do have the journal that kind of goes with this. I've never really dived into it. I've never really used this deck because I didn't have the insert, and one of my favorite things to do when I'm getting to know a deck is to kind of look at the insert and kind of get like a feel for what the artist was going for. I like the backs of these. And I haven't been able to do that with these two decks, and so I've kind of felt weird about them because I think that they are not legit. But I do have them, so waste not, want not. I'm going to try to use them more in the future, but let's walk through these. The universe works fast when I'm having fun. Sort of like little phrases. The moment I embrace my peace within and surrender, the outcome is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. So technically these ones I really don't need. They're very kind of longer blurbs. True healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. When I'm in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. When I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. So basically, they're pretty straightforward. I guess, I like them. And I think that if I was like a box creator, or maybe in the future, I would get another deck like this from probably somewhere a little more reputable. And put them as like the oracle for the card. I think that as a one-off, just like synchronicity that somebody comes across in a letter or a gift or a box would be really, really cool. I have gotten this in a box myself before, and I do still have it, and it really was very nice. But I can't see myself doing a spread with this. Joy is the ultimate creator. There's nothing sexier than my authentic truth. Hope is the conduit for miracles. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I'm being guided. In every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me toward right-minded thinking and the energy of love. I find a deeper meaning and personal growth amid the discomfort. When I lean toward love, I am led. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. So really kind of like affirmations. I choose love no matter what. Through prayer and meditation, I create a ripple effect of peace in the world. I mean, these are pretty wordy. I mean, look at that. Not even going to read them all. I like the images. See, this one's nice and simple. I choose to learn through love. I just feel like when they have lots of words, it's really overwhelming. And that's one of the reasons. This is really pretty. It's one of the reasons why I don't see myself reading with this. But I do see it as like adding to a reading. Or like I said before, as like a gift, a synchronicity gift. They are lovely. I mean, this is not the best quality cardstock, but it's nice. Like, look how much this one has. It's got all this and pretty writing. It's just a lot. And I feel like when it has so much words, I think the reason I couldn't read with it is because when it has so much words, I'm really not able to draw so much on my intuition as have like a message from the universe if I just used it randomly one. And that's totally cool. That's how you can use it. However you want to use it is good for you, and it's definitely has its place, and it's beautiful. I do like the art. I like the style. I love the watercolory feel. I think that this kind of like, if I was to make a deck like this that would resonate more deeply with me, it would be my favorite quotes with beautiful images. And then I could have a deck, you know, this size, and just randomly shuffle it and add it to a reading, and that would be really fun too. Just thought that's what this makes me think of for myself. So that's good. Inspiration's great. Anyways, if you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching.